Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is London. Some few days back, flooding covering everywhere. Those of you that think that it does not flood in London, people in Nigeria always think that it doesn't flood in London, but it does flood. The even flood was inside people's houses. They are inside the transport, the bus. I even have a short clip of the heavy rain. One of my YouTube channel short. It was so heavy. Even yesterday, the rain was extremely very heavy. Just so people in Nigeria, in Africa, also knows that a flood in London, and not only in Africa, a flood. And when it floods, sometimes it even kill people. Sometimes, okay. So those people that think it doesn't flood in London, England, UK, in Nigeria, who think it doesn't flood, it does flood in London. So I'm just showing you guys some clips that I was able to get. Okay, guys. So please give this video a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe, just so you know that it also flooded in London. Instead of people always complain when it flooded in Nigeria that the government this and that. Lekki was flooded as well recently and everybody was complaining, but it also flooded in London. Obviously you guys can see the video, the little clips I'm able to get. Okay guys, so enjoy watching it and leave me your comments. Tell me what you think, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and give it a like. Bye, enjoy watching.